see in this is Chief Minister is more worried about his interest than the state interest. Even a state loses the water also, he is not bothered.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताजा अपडेट मिलते रहे।
रियासत असम्बली में कांग्रेस के फ्लोर लीडर मल्लू भट्टी विक्रमाका ने रियासत में दलित तबके पर मजालिम के वाकयात में इजाफे पर तशवीश का इजहार किया और कहा कि हुकूमत दलितों को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करने में नाकाम हो गई है। असम्बली के मीडिया पॉइंट पर मीडिया से बातचीत करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि रियासत का कोई भी जिला ऐसा नहीं है जहां दलितों को मारा नहीं जा रहा है और उन्हें मौत की घात उतारा नहीं जा रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि रियासती पुलिस बिलखुसूस डीजीपी महेंद्र रेड्डी इस सारे वाकयात पर खामोश है। चीफ मिनिस्टर के हल्के इंतखाब गजवेल में एक किसान की खुदकुशी के लिए उन्होंने रियासती हुकूमत को जिम्मेदार ठहराया। मल्लू भट्टी विक्रमाका ने रियासत में कोविड-19 से निपटने रियासती हुकूमत के इक़दाम को नाकाफी बताया और मुतालबा किया कि रियासती हुकूमत हर जिला मुस्तक़िल पर क्वारंटाइन सेंटर्स कायम करे।
जो atrocities and attacks on Dalits, more so killing the Dalits, are taking place in a huge and large number. From the day one, the TRS government has come to power in this state. The TRS party has come to power in this state. If you see right from Siricilla onwards, go to in Gajwel constituency, Chief Minister's zone constituency, where Narsimha, who has committed suicide for taking away his land, which has been assigned by the then previous governments. Like that, there is another Narsimha in Rajapur Mandal, where he has been, got killed by a lorry, creating an accident kind of a thing, for stopping illegal sand mining. And these kind, another Bhopalpalli Mandal, another Dalit has been got killed by the local leaders, and the police, not the TRS government, not bothered to even to file a case, nor to take action against the culprits. For the name's sake, they are just registering some cases and leaving it. So this is the fate of the Dalits in the TRS government. So the Congress party, which has been all the time, work with the Dalits and their rights, we are feeling very saddened about the things which are taking place in the state. So we wanted to meet Honorable Governor to make a representation to safeguard the interests of the Dalits in the state. Unfortunately, because of the Corona, Her Excellency Governor is not able to meet physically people and take the representations. So they have told us to send mail. So we are sending our representation to Honorable Governor. आप सभी को जानता है, Corona has become a serious problem in the state. And the state government is not taking any serious action on controlling the Corona spreading COVID-19. Particularly in the districts of late, which has percolated even to the villages, you don't find any testing machinery, or even if somebody identified with a positive, Corona positive, proper treatment is not done in the district hospitals. No proper food is being given, no sanitation, nothing. And majority of the people are being asked by the district medical department to go and take rest in their respective houses, saying home quarantine. In the villages, if you send somebody who has got the positive to home quarantine, the whole village is getting terrified and scared. So I made a request to the Health Minister, asking him to start at least one center for each assembly segment at the headquarters, home quarantine centers, so that people, whoever gets the positive Corona, they can be kept in that center, treated for 14 days, and they can be sent back to their respective houses after the so that you can avoid the parents in the house, children, and other people getting infected. This is one kind of a thing. The other one is Krishna River water. Krishna River water. As you are all aware, the Andhra Pradesh government has issued a GO 203, which utilizing 1 TMC of water per day from Sangameshwara Pond on the name of Rayalaseema Lift Scheme and increasing the Potireddy powder capacity from 44,000 pieces to 88,000 pieces. That means nearing about 8 TMC increasing capacity of Potireddy powder and another 3 TMC from Rayalaseema. Put together 8 TMC per day they wanted to draw water from Nagarjuna Sagar. Filling of Nagarjuna Sagar is a big issue. If it doesn't get filled, the left canal, Aikatda, all will be, the total entire area will get dried up. So put together the left canal Aikat of 6.5 lakh acres and this is another 25 lakh acres. 10 lakh acres of Palamur Rangareddy, 3.5 lakh acres of Dindi, another 8 lakh of what is that, Kalakutti lift irrigation. All these things put together making about 20 to attend the meeting which is kept by Central Water Resources Commission on 5th of this month. Generally, any chief minister who is seriously bothered about the resources of his own state, immediately go to that meeting and object.
अगर आप टेक्नोलॉजी के दौर में रहते हुए टेक्नोलॉजी से दूर हैं तो सोचिए मत, आइए एक बार खिदमत का मौका दीजिए। हमारे यहाँ ब्रांडेड कंप्यूटर्स, डेल, HP, लेनोवो, लैपटॉप एक्सेसरीज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, निहायती वाजबी दाम पर दस्तयाब है। स्कूल, कॉलेज, कॉर्पोरेट, ऑफिस वगैरह में बल्क क्वांटिटी में सप्लाई की जाती है। इसके साथ साथ हमारे यहाँ माहिर टेक्नीशियंस की निगरानी में रिपेयर की सहूलत भी मौजूद है। अगर आप अपने घर, दुकान, सोसाइटी, स्कूल वगैरह को सेफ और क्राइम फ्री बनाना चाहते हो तो इंस्टॉल कीजिए CCTV कैमरा जो HD क्लियरिटी के साथ दस्तयाब है। गुज़िश्ता 10 साल से मुल्क भर में अपनी इन तमाम खिदमात को जारी रखते हुए आपके एतमाद को बरकरार रखने वाला नाम टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स, विजयनगर कॉलोनी, बिसाइड रियान होटल, हैदराबाद। डायरेक्टर सैयद राशिद अली। फोन 9849715954। टॉप